Hey guys, it's BK and I'm coming to you with a very quick makeup tutorial. This is a makeup collaboration with JaleaNicole, Pretty Bree, let me see, Patra Danae, and
Beautifully Enchanted.
I will link their videos and channels below. This is my look. I am recreating a look based on fire and I'm feeling it. I used a lot of different things, but for my face I will tell you the foundation that I used was a mixture of this e.l.f. foundation in caramel, mixed with this Maybelline Superstay Enriched Tan, which was too light. This is too dark, so I mixed them, and that is what's on my face. The blush, it's very, like, you can kind of see it, but I use several different colors, so don't worry about it. And for my lip, I used Hot Passion. It's a CoverGirl lipstick, and I just line my lips with a little bit of brown. But that's basically it. This is my look. Let's see, I don't know what else to say about it. I'm just gonna, slow it down for you so you can see. Everything else should be shown in the video. I will annotate like the shadows, the names, because I'm not sure if I want to do a voice over or not. But yeah, this is my long intro. I hope you guys continue to watch the video. Be sure to thumbs it up, share it, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel as well as the other ladies. So thanks for watching, guys, and remember, Styles by BK, she been cute, come get cute.